Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Farida, yes, you're looking pretty. Okay, others, Aishin, Al-Fateh, turn on your camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, I'm going to ask you two to three things just to clarify from my side, okay? I need you to help me out here, so I'm just noting it down. Al-Fateh, okay. Barira, which group are you? Griffith or
Griffin.
Phoenix? Griffin. Okay.
Mm,
You're coming for the sports day, right?
yes.
Okay.
Really, yeah.
Have you sent video for sport day?
Mm, that question, I don't know, since my mom's doing that.
Did you prepare a video?
Yeah, we have a video.
Did you prepare the video?
Yeah. I'm not sure to send it or not.
Okay, so you need to find it. If you're sending it by today 5 p.m.,
Good
it will
morning,
be valid.
ma'am.
Good morning, I mean it will be valid. How about dress? Have you sent the what is your size, Barira? Like, is it small? Dress size. Do you know your dress size?
Why do we use size?
We are getting sports day dress when we are going for sports day. We need size, right? What if I give you
Oh,
large and it goes up to your knees? That will look weird. Do you know your dress size?
medium.
Are you sure?
I'm already 8 years old.
Okay.
I mean, nine.
9. Okay, let's see. Aishin. Aishin, which team are you? Griffith. You're not Phoenix?
I think she just said Phoenix.
She said Phoenix. Okay, I heard Phoenix. Okay. Aishin, are you coming for the sports day?
No.
No. Have you sent video for Griffith? Said Phoenix?
No, my mom is not well. That's why I have squishy on the balloon.
It's for 1 point. We need that 1 point. That 1 point can make us win also, Aishin. If you could send that
Is
video
it today 5 o'clock?
today 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay. Aishin, which team are
Yes,
you?
I'm a Griffin.
Everyone is in Griffin. Are you coming for the sports day?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Have you sent a video?
I'm not in Griffin. I'm in Phoenix.
Lazel, I'm coming. I know about you. I mean, have you sent the video?
There's which video, ma'am?
For sports day, everyone is making a video. It's a competition, free event competition. Have you sent so far to anyone?
Ma'am, lasers, please.
No, right? You
Ma'am,
just joined.
ma'am,
What's your dress
ma'am.
code? Like dress size? Sorry, dress size.
Ma'am, sorry, my speaker was not working.
It's okay.
The whole.
I'll come to you. Okay, I'm connecting. Ask Mama what is your dress size, t-shirt size. Can you ask Mama that?
Ma'am, I think so. It's 7 to 9.
Okay, one moment. Behave like 7 to 9. Can you just ask and come quick, please?
Yes.
Wait,
I'll also ask because I'm not sure I'm medium.
you're Griffith, right? He's not there.
I'm not sure I'm medium, but I might be large anyways because I am.
Where you ask and come quickly?
Okay, goodbye.
Al-Fateh, have you sent the video for Sports Day? You have sent, right?
Yeah, I'm editing it. My father's editing it.
You have not sent it yet?
We did it yesterday, but my father's editing it.
Okay, so not sent yet. You are not coming for Sports Day. You are in India, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Lazel, we have sent the video, right?
I didn't send the video. I didn't make one. I don't know how to make a video.
Lazel, don't do that. We are Phoenix. You're coming for Sports Day, right?
One person did the video. It's 9 to 10 years old.
I asked video. Haya
9 to 10 years old.
Milan sent me video.
But
Haya?
my size is 10 to 11,
Whose size?
even though I'm 9.
Barira, what's your size?
9 to wait, I forgot.
9 to 10 years old.
9 to 10 years old. 9 to 10 years old.
Maybe
Nine
Asking
to
age, t-shirt
10
size, t-shirt
years
size,
old.
not age.
This is the t-shirt.
9 to 10.
Yeah.
Mine
That's
is
my
like-
t-shirt.
10 to 11, even though I'm 9.
Okay. So Haya, where's Haya? Where's Haya?
Oh my
Haya, what's your
goodness.
dress size, t-shirt size?
I actually don't know, but my mother thinks. Wait, what size is this white T-shirt?
Ask mama quickly.
Yeah, I'm asking.
Ayman,
Yes, ma'am.
Ayman, how much did you get?
Yes,
How much did you get?
I get 10.
You're 10.
Yes.
Sidra, you are not coming for sports day. You are in India, right?
Yes, I'm in India. I cannot come.
The whole school is in India.
Griffin. Griffin.
Okay, only Hazel, Aishin and me, we are in Phoenix. All of you are enemies right now.
Yeah.
Haya, how much did you get?
The whole school is in India.
My mother told me
That studies and it's online.
One second. Haya, how much did you get?
My mother told 10 to 11.
10 to 11. Yes, Sidra.
Miss, I had 5 minutes, so I had a time to fresh, but not to eat.
Oh. I have one question for you, Sidra. Did you send the video?
No, I didn't even have any idea in my brain.
Enemies, my enemies don't make it,
It's
okay? Only the
compulsory.
teammates. Aishin, Lazel, we need it. Come on.
It's compulsory. Citra,
You
it's
won't get
compulsory.
it. Look, see, I lived in UAE, so anyways, my house was. I lived next to a big mall which had like stairway to heaven, something like that. That's his name.
Ma'am,
The only thing I did in my video is
the size is 22 though.
Size is 22.
That's not my problem.
Age-wise, it's
That
10 to 11.
10 to 11.
Ma'am, ma'am, it's not my problem sending the video. It's my mom's. She's
You're in
about to send
opposite
it
team,
out.
right? Don't send it, Korea. Don't send it.
guys, please, essence self, we have to send it. It's compulsory.
Only Haya and Milan has
I do
submitted it.
not
I have forwarded
understand those big words of yours.
Essence
Everything
team
done.
leader said it's compulsory.
What does
Said that?
compulsory
Salita
mean?
said
The
that?
video.
Wow.
Why I was so quiet today?
Guys, go to Gmail and go to chat. You have a new chat.
Who is that new chat? No,
The one I gave you. You were like,
open chat during class time. Barira, no. Haya, no. I can see your eyes going. Al-Fateh, close that chat.
okay, I closed that.
I'm not going to it.
Do you
I'm
want
looking at my set.
make you share the screen?
I am looking to my set.
Ma'am, can I come? I'll come in 2 minutes, okay?
Miss,
Yes, Sidra?
Miss, I have a candidate that our whole model is done.
Ma'am,
Yes, Simon.
I'll come in 2 minutes, okay?
Where's the candy, Sidra?
It's in home. Why? It's inside. In the living
Open
room.
documents.
Guys, I'll show you something.
In the hall,
My
your
CD
sister
doesn't
is
have
sitting
I
and she
have a balloon. Is this water balloon or no water balloon?
Laser looks like kind of like a girl today. There's something different in Laser's
Yeah.
face. Did you see that?
haircut.
Is this a haircut, Laser?
Yeah.
We would love to see you. You're looking very cute.
Ma'am, my CD doesn't have ears.
Ah.
And I can't find my documents.
Ma'am,
That's the
I
thing.
didn't make the bird because I was in a train Friday.
It's okay, I understand, Hazel. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Others, you have to complete your club and send it to me. Amina ma'am is here. Amina ma'am, enjoy. Bye.
No,
Same to you. Bye bye.
no, Amina ma'am, you're in good, right?
No, I'm
You're in
not.
Griffin.
No,
You're in Phoenix, right?
I'm in Phoenix. Yeah.
Yeah. We have our enemies here, okay?
You're not in
Network
Brisbane.
enemies are there. Only Liesel and Aishan is there with us.
At least
Ah,
Amina ma'am is
lately, no. Someone else is there, no?
Ishan and Ihan, but they don't join us.
They didn't join in there. Okay.
Cool.